we were having issues saying that Indigo was not able to install, but there's a bunch of Indigo plugins. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to install this one again, all right? Let me see if I go to, I mean, it exists. All right, so let's do this. Let's go over here. Let's go here, pi.org. And if we go to Indigo, let's see. So we have Indigo here. A general purpose event management tool. So that's the actual tool itself. Requires Python 3.13 all the way to 3. What? What are you saying? Hold on. Tools for meeting management. All right, so let's see. How would I create a custom Indigo plugin? All right, so let me see here. From indigo.core.plugin and import Indigo plugin. So they have that, but when I try to install, all right, so let's do a pip install then. Let's go over here. Let me see if I can do a pip install because I'm not sure. Pip let me create a Python vnv. Let's do source or the source vnv bin activate to activate our virtual environment, and I'm going to do pip install Indigo. Okay, that's working. But it shouldn't install everything though. Let's see what happens. Because I just wanted to, I guess we need it. Just have to import requests as well. Let's see what happens. See, the reason that's why I didn't want to, because I know this is like a really, really big file or package, but I guess it's fine to install it so that we can, and it's installing on a virtual environment too. There's just a lot of stuff that it has to install. There should have been a way just to, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, it's installing all the fonts and stuff. I don't need all of that. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. So, all right. Anyways, let me go and let's see. I'm gonna go while this is installing. I'm gonna go to the other page. Let's say api.slack apps. Events notification. Being that this doesn't really matter too much, so I'm gonna go over here. So if in case anybody's never seen like Slack stuff, we're gonna go to, let me add an icon for my thing. Let's go to logos. Let's go to, where's my logo? Where's my logo? Let's go with this logo. Let's go with that. And that's all I really need. Let's save that change. Or I guess there's nothing to save. I want to get my incoming webhook. Copy the webhook. Let's go back over here. All right, so Indigo's installed, allegedly. What? Let me put my webhook in here for now. Your Slack webhook. You would fetch your Slack tokens from your plugin settings. I need a Slackbot token. So I need to create a, let me see. We'll go back to looking at those details. I don't know why it's not install a package or installing a package, the package Indico. Make sure all right, let's go. Yes. Installing package into requires administrative privilege. All right, let's do, should have admin privileges. Let's go to, let's do that. I don't know why I didn't. Let me see if this is gonna work. So what's the difference between installing it here and installing it there? Let's see this one. Let me see any new alerts. Just one. All right, cool. That's not bad. All right. I feel like it's doing the same thing twice. Whatever. It's okay. We'll figure this out. I just want this thing to work at the end of the day. Come on. Maybe it's taking as long as it took the other one. All right, so let's go while it's doing that. Let's go over here. It's not wasting any much time. Let's go to back to Gemini. And registration field get. Oh, okay. So let's go over here and let's go to this. Oh, maybe not that one. Let's go to let's go here. Let's go here. Let's say registration somewhere. Where is the registration? Participants? Let's see. I know there's a place to do registration in here. Settings. Timetable. Allow users who cannot access the event to register. This will expose open registration forms to anyone with the link to the event. You should let register without having access. But where is that registration form? Let's see. Well, you can create a series out of this too. That's pretty cool. All right. Where is the registration form? Administration, homepage, integration, applications, checking app, API. User management, rooms booking, customization, plugins. I don't see. Create event. I already have the event created. Why is that one not working over there? That's interesting that my logo is not working over there. I'll fix that. But maybe that's the login logo. Let me see. Nope. Timetable? No. All right, we'll figure that out. This thing still isn't done yet? Jeez. All right. Where do I where to configure registration in Indico? Go to your events area, click organization, registration on the left banner. From there, you can create form to make a new registration form. All right, so it says click organization. Okay. Export portable version. Organization. So there goes organization. And then click what? I don't see organization on the left. Steps to configure registration, access event management. I literally don't see it there. There is no registration form for, okay, there's no, okay, so can we create one then? To create a new registration form, specify the participant visibility setting below. Okay. Participant visibility, show, okay. Visibility permanent. All right, so let's say create. Okay, there goes the registration form. So registration form, configure. Let's add Slack handle. And let's go to text field, Slack handle, submit. Where did it add? All right, Slack handle. I guess that's good right there. Let's go and we save that. Do I need to click save anywhere? Nope. All right, so we go to now home. I don't know why my logo is sometimes showing. Go here. Let's actually open up the registration as well. Participants. Start now. Registration is open. Go here. Register. Tech Coach Ralph. Register. So now I'm registered. My Slack handle is saved. All that good stuff. Going back over here, we have Indico was installed. So now, all right, so everything is showing as expected now. Perfect. We have all this. We need to generate our Slack. No, we need to generate our Slack bot token. All right, so let's go back over here, and I'm gonna ask Gemini, how would I create my Slack bot token to enter into the script? All right. Creating a Slack bot token is straightforward through the Slack API website. Here's step by step. Go to Slack, create a new app. We have the app. Create app, add permissions. So we need to go to OAuth. All right, OAuth and permission. OAuth and permission. And we are going. Is this one? Is that it? Let's see. Under bot token scopes, add an auth scope. So go to scope, other permissions, go to scopes, and then we're going to do chat right. So we're going to go down to scopes. Is that a bot scope token? Under, close that out. Close that out. That over. All right. So under bot scope tokens, chat right. All right. Got that. Bot scope token, we're going to say chat right. Send a message as events notification. You can go with that. And it says you change permissions, please reinstall your app for these changes to take effect. If your app is listed in Slack Marketplace, you need to resubmit it as well. That would be pretty cool to create an app for that. You'll be asked to grant permission. So scroll back up to OAuth and permissions page. Click install a workplace button at the top. You'll be asked to grant. All right, so let's go. Reinstall your app. I will do it for this channel right here to test it out. All right, our app is reinstalled. We have the chat right. We have that. All right, cool. Next up, copy your bot token. Where's my bot token? Bot user OAuth token. Is that it? And your bot user OAuth token would now be visible. Copy that. And we're going to put it right here in your Slack bot token. All right, cool. So those could probably be externalized secrets type stuff, but we're going to go over to here. Paste that in there. We got that in that. Let's see. Find all upcoming meetings in the window. Find upcoming contributions. All right. Let's see what else we got to do. So, treat your token as a password, never share it in public places or commit it to a public code repository like GitHub. So don't share it on YouTube. It gives direct access to post messages into your Slack workspace. I can just delete it. I can just delete it. But I want to get it to work. I want you guys to see what we're working on, right? So no biggie deal. Let's see. All right. Let's see something. So we got that done. Let's go to all right, so let's go back over to here. And let's see what else we have to do. So we did how to create the so we created that. We got our script. Now what?
Lunch break. Lunch break.
I guess now it is lunch break. All right, cool. So perfect. Let's go to break. We shall go to break, and then we shall return to do, I guess, hopefully the final segment and see if we can plug this up somehow. I don't know. We shall find out.
It was all good, just a prompt to go. Lines of light made my circus glow. Now I'm drowning in a sea of code. A bug, a glitch, and the system slowed. I reached too far, try to debug fate, but the tokens fail, and it's too late. I'm down, down and out of tokens. The lines are cracked, the code is broken. Helpless now, the screen's unspoken. It was all good, just a prompt to go. Syntax screams like a ghost in the shell. Loops on fire, dragging me through hell.